Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Vercel templates for Next.js UI deployment, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Vercel website. Sign in to your Vercel account. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once logged in, go to the importing options on the dashboard. Look for the templates section. Here, you can browse various Next.js templates. Select a template that suits your project needs. Click on the selected template to open its details page. Review the template description and features. To download the template, click on the Deploy button. This action will prompt a new project creation. Enter the necessary project details, such as name and framework. Choose the appropriate Git repository settings if required. After filling in the details, click the Create or Import button. You will soon be redirected to the new project dashboard. Next, access the project settings. Locate the deployment settings if applicable. Follow the instructions for configuring your Vercel deployment preferences. Now, return to your project files. Download the project files by clicking the download icon or copying the repository link. Extract the files if they are compressed. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you downloaded the template. Run the command to install dependencies, typically npm install or yarn. After the installation is complete, you can start the development server. Type the command npm run dev or yarn dev. Finally, view your Next.js application in your browser at the specified local host address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.